So the theorem number 2, it says the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So this is not a new theorem. You can take it as the special case of theorem number 1, which says that angle made by an arc, at the center is double to the angle subtended at any point on the circle. So it is just like the same. Yeah. For example, if AB is a diameter of circle and ACB is an angle in semicircle. ACB is an angle in semicircle. So consider this arc AB. Yeah. This arc AB. It is making an angle at center, that is AOB. This is a straight angle, 180 degree. So the same arc subtend is, that is, same arc AB subtend an angle ACB at a point C on the circle. So this ACB will be the half of AOB. So that is the same. So proof is very simple. So just you have to remember this theorem and remember the result of this theorem. Otherwise you would not need to prove this theorem. Okay. So result says the angle in a semicircle is right angle. Means whenever we make an angle using the diameter of the circle, then that will be 90 degree. Okay. The very same theorem, or you can say the developed theorem of theorem number 1 and 2. That is, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Means if angles are made in a same segment, then they will be equal. For you can take this. Yeah, here it is a circle AB with center O and chords AB. Then AB divide this circle into two parts. Yeah, major, minor segment. This one will be known as minor segment, and that will be known as major segment. Okay. So if we take the major segment, then in major segment the angles made by arc AB is angle ACB and angle ADB. So this will be equal. Just like that. ACB and ADB are the angles in the same segment. So these are also equal. Just like that. In this also, segment is AD. No. Chord is AD. And this is the major segment. Then all angles will be equal. Just like that, you can do the rest. Yeah. So you can do the rest. Just remember the results. Means if angles are made in the same segment, then they will be equal. I think you can do it practically. So problem based on this theorem is in question number 3 from exercise 12b. Okay, what does it say? That O is the center, PVC is 25 degree. Yeah, PVC is 25 degree and ABB 110 degree, and you have to find ADB. The same question, the same figure I have tried to draw in this solution. So see, BPC is we have to find ADB. ADB, this particular angle we need to find. ADB, this ADB. So very simple. Just a moment ago we studied about the theorem, angle in the same segment are equals. So we know that angle made by chord AB or arc AB in this segment is ADB, and the same chord A has been taken for constructing angle ACB. So if we know the angle ACB, then very easily we can find angle ADB because both will be equal. Okay. So this is 110 degree given in the question. So it will be 180 minus 110 as the linear pair axiom tells us. So P, angle BPC is 70 degree. Again by the angle sum property of triangle, in triangle BCP, this particular C angle will be BCP equal 180 minus 95, because 180 minus sum of the two angles, that is 70 and 25. Okay, so this, so we got BCP is 85 degree, BCP 85 means to say BCA. Okay, so we know that angle ADB and angle ACB are equal, as since angles in same segment are equal, so angle ADB is equal to angle ACB. Okay, so ACB is 185 degree, 85 degree. ACB, you will say ACB, ACB or PCB, both are the same, both are representing the same angle. Okay, so this will be 85 degree, which was our required answer. Okay, now come to the question number 6. I think 5 can be done by you. Very simple. Center will be the double of the angle at any point, so it will be 100 degree. Angle OAB can be found by using the angle sum property of triangle. Okay, come to the question number 6. Here BCD is 43 degree and ABD is 54. Yeah, it has been represented very clearly. So ACD is equal to ABD. ACD is equal to ABD. Angles in the same segment. Yeah, angles in the same segment. So it will be 54 degree. Again BAD is equal to BCD. Here it is BAD is equal to BCD. Angles in the same segment. You can rotate your book and see the figure clearly, carefully. Then it will be also 43 degree. Again finally the angle BDA. Where is BDA? BDA means this particular angle. We are talking about this particular angle. So see the figure clearly, carefully. This is your center. So AB is diameter, means to say ABD, this particular portion is a semicircle. So angle in the semicircle will be 90 degree. So you need to do nothing. Just keep angle BDA equal to 90 degree and give this statement. This is important. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Okay. So thus you can do the rest on your own. If you do not understand, then you have to ask. Okay, I hope so.